Welcome to Prognozy Capital, where we provide you with the latest market update. Market update for December 7, 2023. The Nifty index closed in the negative territory at 20,901.15, down by 36.55 points. There were short buildups observed with an increase in open interest of 16,951 contracts. Looking at the Nifty options for the December 14, 2023 expiry. There was a buildup in call OI at 21,000 with a significant increase of 107.34%. On the other hand, there was a buildup in put OI at 20,000 with a substantial increase of 189.63%. Interestingly, both call and put riders shifted to the same strike prices, indicating a range-bound market. Moving on to the Bank Nifty, it closed in the positive zone at 46,841.4, up by 6.85 points. Long buildups were observed with an increase in OI of 1,479 contracts. For the December 13, 2023 expiry, there was a buildup in call option OI at 49,000 with a notable increase of 79.03%. Similarly, there was a buildup in put option OI at 46,500 with a significant increase of 106.37%. Notably, new put riders shifted up from 44,000 to 46,500. Suggesting a bullish sentiment and a potential breakout. In terms of institutional activity, foreign institutional investors, FII, sold stocks worth 1,564.03 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors, DII, sold stocks worth -9.65 crore rupees in the cash market. In the futures and options market, FII bought index futures worth 597.62 crore rupees. However, they sold index options worth 93,497.59 crore rupees, stocks futures worth 2,330.62 crore rupees, and stocks options worth 736.30 crore rupees. Overall, FII had a net sell position of 95,966.90 crore rupees in the F&O market. Analyzing the FII's activity in index futures, they added 5,399 long contracts and closed 3,196 short contracts. As a result, FII now has a net long position of 31,549 contracts in the index, compared to the previous 22,954 contracts. In stocks futures, FII has closed 22,294 long contracts and added 8,834 short contracts. This means that FII is now net long in stocks with a total of 147,922 contracts, compared to the previous 179,050 contracts. Let's take a closer look at FII's index option analysis. Their net put long contracts have decreased to 177,772 contracts, compared to the previous 363,517 contracts. On the other hand, their net call long contracts have increased to 190,131 contracts, compared to the previous 328,515 contracts. The option buildups on the short side are less than the long side, suggesting that the downside is limited. All in all, FII has been making some strategic moves in the market. It will be interesting to see how these changes play out in the future. Thank you so much for tuning in. We truly appreciate your support and would love for you to join our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well, where we share even more exciting content. For more information and updates, make sure to check out our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Once again, thank you for watching.